When you think of a walk-in closet, you automatically assume it's this big, luxurious dressing room with all the space you could need for your dream shoe collection, right? I hate to tell you, but that's usually not the case. Walk-in closets sometimes hold less stuff than a reach-in closet and make storage a bit tougher to figure out. Welcome back, guys, to another video. And today, we are here with some best small closet organization ideas. Invest in a good closet system. If you're still rocking your builder-grade rod and single shelf above, you need to get it together. Those basic closet rods are such a waste of good space. Many closet systems are available to fit any budget, from adjustable wire systems to mock custom cabinetry. My advice is to buy the best method you can afford, because you get what you pay for. And don't forget to read the reviews. Get a divided hamper. If you share a closet with another human, one hamper is not enough. Even if one of you is doing all the laundry, it's a time saver to separate your laundry. Don't waste space by having two different hampers. Instead, go for a double or triple hamper with removable laundry bags inside, so you can take only one side's contents to the laundry room. If you don't share with someone else, it's still a good idea to have a divided laundry basket. You can use the other side for your whites or towels and other linens. Maximize drawer space. Whether you have drawers in your closet system, a dresser in your closet, or a dresser in the actual bedroom, maximizing your drawer space is essential. If you haven't started using the file fold method, today is the first day of the rest of your life. Never stack fold again. Here's my super easy tutorial for how to fold clothes like a retail pro. And here's my video on how to fold clothes while standing without a flat surface. It's also a great idea to utilize drawer organizers like telescoping dividers, sorted drawer cubes, and shallow adjustable bins. They accommodate your underwear, socks, bras, tank tops, and tights. Hang your accessories with your clothes. Scarves, men's ties, belts, and sashes can take up a lot of space even though they're small. And rolling them up inside drawers can make them wrinkled and misshapen. Always opt to hang these accessories on a hanger and store them with your clothes to keep them in their best shape. If you have dresses and jackets with a matching belt or waist tie, keep those with the piece of clothing they go with. Just wrap it around the top of the hanger or drape it over the pants part of the clothes hanger. Slim hangers are not just a trend. Those non-slip, super skinny hangers you keep seeing online aren't just the latest internet fad. They do work. They save a ton of space, allowing you to fit more clothes on one rod. And that non-slip material keeps your clothes from sliding off and ending up on the floor. Tip: put these hangers on your shirts from the bottom up, not through the neck. They don't bend as easily as plastic hangers, and since they're non-slip, the top of your shirts won't slide through. Putting the hanger on through the neck will stretch it out and give you an accidental slouchy V-neck. Not cute. Keep the floors clear. If possible, I always suggest to my clients to keep their floors completely clear. There were no shoeboxes stacked around the edges, no baskets stashed under the hanging clothes, and not even a row of boots lined up in a neat little spot by the door. The reason? Closets don't usually get swept and vacuumed as often as the rest of our house. We always skip it because we think it doesn't need it. And when we do sweep or vacuum in there, we take care of the middle, central area. But the reality is, dust, dirt, and icky stuff can pile up in the corners and under your lower hanging clothes, which will attract bugs, moths, and sometimes mice. Ditch the iron for a handheld steamer. If you're battling a small closet, you probably don't have room for a giant, bulky ironing board to hang out in there. But just because you're short on space doesn't mean your clothes can't look like $1 million. Opt for a handheld steamer instead. You can freshen up your clothes just like with an iron, but faster and easier. Plus, you can make your dry clean only clothing last a little longer between visits to the cleaners. Make your closet feel like a room. Who says a closet has to be this dark hole that hides your clothes from your beautifully styled home? You can make your small walk-in closet feel like a luxurious dressing room by treating it like your living room. Add a vintage patterned area rug, a fancy mini chandelier, and some artwork you love to create a space that deserves a star with your name on it on the door. If you have the area, add a small ottoman with storage inside to hold hats or lingerie, and use it for sitting on when you're lacing up shoes. Well, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this every week. Make sure to comment and let us know. Also, if you have any other recommendations or have any feedback, let me know. I would be happy to check it out. Till then, stay tuned.